Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Priyanka Saokar Navale. My clinic Deccan Dental Clinic is located on FC Road in Pune. So today I am making this video especially for my patient. Topic is little bit weird, but patient frequently ask me this question. That's the reason I am making it. So they ask whether is it okay to use teeth whitening kit once it is expired. My first thing and suggestion to everyone, whether the medicine, whether anything, if it is expired, don't use it, okay, because there are certain guidelines for using those things. But suppose teeth whitening kit which is very costly and you got it from somewhere and you forgot to use it and it is expired just 2 days back or 3 days back, you can use it, okay, but the results won't be that good since you are using it near the expiry date. It is better to use that product at least 5-6 months prior to the expiry date for the better results, since all teeth whitening kits most of the time contain hydrogen peroxide and it get degraded as it reaches towards the expiry date. So though you are using it, result won't be that good or poor result will achieve if it is expired or you are using it near the expiry date. Hope this video clears your doubt whether to use teeth whitening kit when it is expired or near the expiry date. So this is all my opinion. Hope this helps. Do like my channel, subscribe it. Bye bye, take care. Thanks for watching. Type yes if you found this video helpful. Have any questions, drop them in comments below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.